Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making a frozen Patron Sangria. So let's get into it. First I'm going to make a blueberry simple syrup because the base for this is blueberry. You're going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of water. And you want to put it on the stove and allow it to simmer until thickened. Just like this for about 5 minutes or so. Next, you're going to strain it and allow it to cool all the way down. You could even put it in the refrigerator, and that's pretty much the syrup for this drink. This syrup can be used in lemonades. You can use it on pancakes, waffles. It's perfect. So for the mix, you're gonna need some mixed moscato or any moscato, some Patron, of course, and some ice. So to my blender, I'm gonna add the ice, my little bottle of Patron. My subscribers and supporters always make fun of me because I love my little bottles of alcohol because it's like the perfect amount. And then I'm also gonna add 2 shots of Moscato down in here, and I'm going to blend it up. I love this mixer so much. It could blend anything halfway to a pulp. It's probably my favorite equipment in the kitchen besides the stove, of course. But yep, you want to blend it all the way. Now when I started putting this together, I wanted to try and get like the galaxy effect going. I kind of sort of pulled it off, but kind of didn't. But it was still cute. So then you want to add your syrup down in here. The syrup was so good too, by the way, you guys. And of course it was easy and simple to make. And this was it right here. And look how it turned out. The color contrast was just so pretty and so beautiful. And the drink was delicious. Oh, the rim of the glass, all that is sugar. I dipped it in the syrup that we made, the glass, and then I dipped it in sugar, and that's all that is. Then you want to top it with some blueberries, and that's the drink. Easy, simple, cold, refreshing. It's hot as hell in Texas, so I enjoyed my drink. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and this recipe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, you guys.